Just finished up, added irrigation to this yard that previously had to be hand watered. Well, no more of that. Now my lovely friend Laine is no longer having to hand water her entire yard, as she has done a beautiful job of developing this little food forest. And now we just gave her some time. No more getting up in the morning and hand watering when it's 1,000,000 degrees out every day. And we installed a beautiful pomegranate, winter Mexican avocado, a Savannah cherry, and a Sunracer nectarine. And a bunch of bananas. There's a dwarf Brazilian back there, a double Mahoy, and a Rajapuri. You can see that irrigation is hitting beautifully right where it needs to. Everyone will be super happy. And we're in good shape. I love these installs. They're so fun. I love watching food grow. Watching people excited to grow food. Oh, this yard is awesome. Little tiny yard. Tons and tons and tons of food. She came by a couple months ago. I gave her a couple pieces of this Suriname spinach and it's just tearing through. Pop back over here and give this one little adjustment. Right like that. This is a cool yard. Look at all this calophyllus. I wonder where that came from. This stuff is so delicious. So, we are done and we are out of here. If this is your first time seeing our videos, make sure you check out my channel. Subscribe, like our videos. Say hi to Laine.
Hi.
This lady is awesome. They just got to see your yard.
Oh.
Your beautiful yard.
It is pretty
And she has
amazing.
worked
Except
so-
the downside is I used to be able to say I did it all myself. Now I can't.
Why not?
Because you did this.
That's all right. I just made
So
it
I can
easier
lie.
for you.
Yeah, you did. So I'll lie. And I said, yeah, I planted all those trees
I only
myself.
planted a couple of things.
Yeah,
The irrigation is the gold. That's going to change your life.
that's what you keep telling me. I don't need my life changed. My life is perfect to begin with.
I know, and now you just get more time for yourself.
Damn.
More things will
Now
grow.
what the heck am I going to do? It's
Plant-
more time for me to avoid writing my memoir.
I do the same thing. We should have a book writing party.
Oh.
I'm
Well,
I'm halfway through.
60 pages in mine already.
Do you?
Yeah.
I have about 60 on mine.
Oh no. Do you have a blog?
No.
Oh, you should. Well, mind you, have I added to my blog? I have a blog.
There's the man.
Hey!
There's
Hey.
Hey. I know, isn't it amazing?
So
It's like,
we're pooped.
yeah,
It's nice and hot out here.
yeah. Who are we talking to?
YouTube.
Oh,
Gonna go on YouTube.
oh, hello. Hey, world. I am not an influencer.
The next project's up there. We're gonna. She's already done beautiful things up here, but we're gonna slap some irrigation here, I'm sure. We put a full system in, so very expandable. You only need this little tiny dealie and one of those, and we just drop new solenoids in, and you're good to go. Lots of room left on there. Such a cool system. Run on AAA batteries.
Amazing. It's one very satisfied customer.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. Customers. I call them friends.
Well, yeah.
It's way better that way.
Better. I know. We're like family
We
now.
are now.
Oh.
The best.
I know. And you even smell good.
I smell like dirty man.
No, I love that smell. I won't date guys that use cologne or deodorant.
I guess I'm in the running then. Watch out, Kelly. You hear that?
Yeah, no.
She's not going to watch the videos anyway.
Of course not. She's bored to tears with you, huh?
She's had enough. All right. Reid Farm's on the site, and we're about to hook up and roll out of here.
Off the site.
Rock and roll.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
It's been lovely.
All right. And I'll see you tomorrow
Awesome.
before 10 o'clock.
That works.
Okay.
Alrighty, and we're gonna get you started with all these brassicas and stuff for the fall plant. I can give you some tomorrow. Later, YouTube.
Okay, world.
Comment and tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what you like to see, and I'll do more of it. Later.